I'm just out for a little bit of a chill ride. Got a few appointments I need to keep, and yes sirree, I am taking out my bike with the new mirrors for the first time. So come along with me on this little journey to see how good these Rizoma mirrors are. Now, first impressions, they're a sexy piece of kit. So these are the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors for any naked bike. So you can buy these and pop them on any naked bike. There's no brand locking or anything like that. You just go to the website, you pick the pair up with, well, obviously whichever bike you do have, because dependingly this bottom spacer will be at a different size. At least that's from what I understand from their website. And these babies are about 2 months old. They've only just released them for the naked bikes, so I am one of the lucky few, I guess you could say, that's running them. And to be completely honest, I was a little worried about the lack of visibility. Now, obviously, in compared to my big buggered off stock mirrors, obviously, yes, the visibility is considerably lower, most definitely, 100% on that. But in saying that, like, okay, I'll get into the right side of the lane and see. Need to tilt this puppy down a little bit. Having it that the mirrors are rotatable like that is awesome. And being naked, I can loosen this bolt out and have it turn outwards a bit more, so I can get more of a visibility, like say in my blind spot, essentially. But for the most part, I can see pretty much everything I really want to see, as such, on both sides. My only gripe is the blind spot, but I guess that's where your head checks come in. But for the most part, visibility is good. I'll give it a solid 5.7 out of 10 when it comes to like being able to see behind me, essentially, and see in a, I would say, a 90-degree cone backwards. Could it be better? Yeah, sure. Could be a slightly curved, like fish-eyed lens. It would be able to, you know, curve out a little bit, and I would be able to see a bit more. But you know, can't have everything. But for what it is, me likey. Plus, you already know in my videos I do head checks, so it's not so much of a predicament for me, being that I already do it. But adjustment wise, both of them I'm going to have to turn them in just probably by 2 or 3 degrees to make the visibility how I like it, as such. And that is one thing I checked you could do with these mirrors, which obviously you cannot do on a super sport, like for example the Panigale or the BMW S1K. Primary reason, that is mounted to the fairings and there is no rotational point. So this one, surprisingly, pretty nice, because you can go, I'll just do the gestures as to what the hell I'm talking about after I'm on a straight. Yeah, so you can rotate this in to see out more, or you can rotate it towards myself so you can see directly behind you or more of you. As well as you have your up and down, in and out, which is still pretty good. Pretty good, man. Still pretty good. But obviously I'll need to adjust it so that I can see more. And right now I would say my arms are taken up, yeah, I would say 1/4 1/3 of the mirror. Yeah, about, I would say 1/3, close to half the mirror. So I just need to adjust that. And even when my hands are on the extended part, or the furthest part away from, or on the accelerator and grip, I still got decent visibility behind me. It's not, how would you say, a bit of a hindrance or anything like that, which is awesome. I'm quite happy with the purchase, to be honest. Now, for those who know anything Rizoma related, these puppies were not cheap. They were most definitely on the pricey side. But you know what? For the looks alone and how it makes me feel, nice. And it does a pretty damn good job. And from what I understand, on track over here, they're allowed on track. All you need to do is put a little bit of duct tape, rotate them down, and you're all good. That's it. You don't have to remove them or do anything special. Which is kind of awesome, man. It's really, really awesome. And to be honest, this bike is slowly starting to turn into a pretty pony. It's just going to take a little bit of time for me to achieve my desired look for her. But for the most part, yes, general consensus, I would highly recommend it. I would highly recommend these mirrors. They're very, very nice. Very, very nice. But yes, I do need to turn them in more. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the good thing, shoop. And shoop. She pretty. This is just a short little video, ladies and gentlemen. I want to do a little bit of a zip around, and I think I'm going to call it a day. Thank y'all for watching this little review on the Rizoma mirrors. But as usual, thank y'all for watching. You beautiful, beautiful people. Thank you for supporting me, as you always do. Thank you, thank you. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace, ride safe, and always deuces.